Hey gamers! Death Stranding 2 is turning the Australian outback into a mind-bending post-apocalyptic masterpiece. Hideo Kojima's latest, it's unlike any open-world game. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this wild, haunting journey. Hideo Kojima's Death Stranding 2 drops you into reimagined Australia, a wild, dangerous, and mysterious wasteland. With an ever-changing map and a vibe inspired by Mad Max and Picnic at Hanging Rock, this isn't just a game, it's an experience. Ready to explore its secrets? Keep watching. Kojima picks the Australian outback for its raw, post-apocalyptic beauty. You play as a lone porter, portrayed by Norman Reedus, delivering supplies to isolated survivors in a world of chaos. Unlike typical open-world games, Death Stranding 2's map is a living puzzle. Roads vanish, storms rage, and your online actions shape a shared world. It's wild, unpredictable, and totally unique. The Guardian's Keith Stewart nails it. Death Stranding 2 isn't about non-stop action, it's about rhythm, feeling, and exploration. Drawing from Aussie classics like Mad Max and Walkabout, the game blends oppressive desert silence, sudden weather shifts, and eerie supernatural moments. Kojima crafts a hypnotic world where survival and connection collide. Sound hauntingly awesome? What makes Death Stranding 2 special is its vibe. It's not just about missions, it's about soaking in a world that feels alive and heavy. Tribal visuals, scarce resources, and cinematic pacing create a meditative experience that's more than a game. Stewart says it balances human connection and doom, pulling players into a shared journey. Is this Kojima's boldest creation yet? Death Stranding 2's evolving world is calling. Whether you're dodging storms or building paths with other players, this game's a trip you won't forget. Are you ready to wander its haunting outback? Share your hype below. That's the scoop on Death Stranding 2's post-apocalyptic Australian adventure. Are you hyped for its evolving map or hooked on that Mad Max vibe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love the scoop, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.